Welcome to the Guarantee RV YouTube channel. I'm Sean, and today we're going to look at a 323 Coachmen Catalina. Alright, as we walk into this beautiful trailer, you're going to see to the left here we have our nice kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, stove top. Right across the way you're going to see your big slide out here with your U-shaped booth, couch, both turning into beds. On the other side, when you walk in the back, you're going to see your bathroom here on the left. Also with an entry door, which is great to clean off before you enter the trailer. Behind there, you're going to see a nice large pantry. Following that, you're going to walk into the back bunk area, which is nice, large, accommodate many children or friends. And as you walk to the front of the trailer, you're going to see your nice enclosed bedroom with full walk-around bed. Lots of storage around the top here. And as you walk around and turn around, you're going to see this nice, beautiful entertainment center with TV. First, on the outside of the trailer, you're going to see a nice, large outdoor kitchen with full refrigerator, sink, plugins for grills. Once again, thanks for checking out this Coachmen Catalina. I'm Sean with Guarantee RV. Hope you have a great day.